Hello importers, have you been finding it difficult to navigate your 1688 app? Find it difficult to pay with your ATM card or to translate it to English language using translation apps, or find it difficult to convert the yuan to naira or to Ghana cedis? Then you need to turn on these features I'm about to show you on 1688 apps. And the beautiful part is I'm going to be showing you my screen record, the practical steps, how you can turn those features on in just minutes and enjoy your 1688 app. So if that's what you sound interesting, make sure you watch to the very end. And if you're just new here, welcome back to Jensio's channel. Here in the channel, talk about how to make legit money online, importation, and everything business growth. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, and turn the notification bell so I can notify once I post videos like this. Hello guys, so if your 1688 is not showing this, don't worry, calm down. I will tell you exactly what to do for it to start showing everything in English language, exactly what you do for it to start showing you in naira. See, as you can see, this is showing me, it will show me in yuan and still show me in naira. It's so pretty. I'm super excited to the extent the chat I'm chatting with my suppliers now show English. I don't need any translator anymore. So if this was sound interesting, make sure you watch till the very end so you will get it. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, and let's go straight. Now this is my 88 interface, how it looks like. You can see this is showing message. Now let me open my message so that you see that the message with my suppliers are showing in English language. Okay, look at this person just dropped a message yesterday. You can see that it's super amazing. See, it's translated immediately, and I'm so happy because look at translated immediately. You don't need to come see, place an order, ship goods, AI inquiries. You don't need to start talking and looking for. Now let's just go there. So how do you get to this point? You go to your me. Look at your me. I'm sure your own now will not be showing me because it's still in Chinese, but just make sure you click that icon showing human head. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you see how mine is in English. I'm a plus member. So if you're not a plus member, drop on the comment section. Let's see, because you have a lot of benefits. So now you can see now it's showing on my orders to pay, ship, receive, review. Super amazing. All right, now when you're here, you go to your settings. Your own will not be showing English like this because we're about to translate it for you, but you see something like a certain icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, yours for now will not be showing this. All right, you see how mine is showing in English? Yours will not be showing in English, but I will tell you what to do. Now the first one here, you just will be counting so that you will understand better. So the first one here is account switch. This first one, account switch. This means that these are the settings you should turn on. Do you know on 1688 you can log in with different details and by, like, for example, if you're a procurement agent, you can use an account and say, okay, I'll be using this account to just procure for my students and for customers. Then if you're a pre-order person, you can say, no, this account is what I'll be using for my pre-order, so that it will not be confusing. So when you click on this account, you see I have 4 different accounts. All right, so you can create as many accounts. They are telling me to add accounts. If I want to add, you can also delete anyone you don't want, and this is the first thing. The next thing now, we'll go to address management. This is the second one. In case your own is still showing in Chinese, you should know that the second one here is address management. Now let me say something before I forget. This is another thing you need to turn on. Look at this place, say buyer setting. You click on this 3 icon. Okay, you see, okay, this one is direct access to function. So if you don't want to go through all that, you can just from here access everything you want to access. Now you go to address management. This is where you put in your shipping company address. Do you know 1688 now you can ship directly to your doorstep? So you can put your Nigeria address here. How do you do it? Click on new receiving address. All right, then if you want to delete any address here, please, I want to advise importers, if you are not using this address, maybe your student address or this that, and you want to delete, because sometimes you might be in a haste, you don't know when you will click and it will go to another shipping company. Hey, it can be frustrating, and before the shipping company will accept to send to another shipping company, you need to pay. So just delete addresses you no longer use. How do you do that? You click on this manage, click on manage here. All right, once you click on manage, you see everything, the addresses will come up, then you can delete. Me now, I don't need this again. You delete it. Once you delete it, it's gone. You delete it. This is one of my students' shipping company address that I used. I delete it. Yeah, so just like that, so that you don't make any mistake. All right, so now let's move to another. So the next one, which is where we are, the one that is payment settings. Okay, account and security is the next. The account, this one will help you know. Many of us don't know our login details. It really affected when I wanted to log in some time ago, and I was like, wow. So this one will help you know your account details, set accounts, details, and this is where you can check your login stuff, change password and all that. Now the next one is your payment settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth is payment settings. So let's click on it. You see that. So here you can bound your Alipay, like my own now is already bounded. So in case your Alipay is not connected, it's very good for your Alipay to be connected, because to help you in security purposes. So this is payment setting. Now you go to privacy. This is where this is just your own privacy. Now the deal is the country and region. Click on it. You see that we have global, we have Southeast Asia, we have in Africa as a whole, we only have Nigeria and Ghana. So click on, so if you are not in Nigeria, or if you're not in all this, just click on global. It will still translate to English. To Nigeria, if you click on Nigeria, it will still translate like that. So I've clicked on Nigeria. All right, so the next one now is your language. Now note, if you only speak in Chinese, make sure you count. How do you get to your country or region? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is to change to global, or to Nigeria, or to Ghana. 6. Now how do you get to language? How do you get to language? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please take note, the 7th one is language. In case your own is not showing English language this way, and you click on language, you see that you can change to any language of your choice, but our aim is for everything to be in English language, so that was why I clicked on English. So that is it. Now the next one is currency. Very, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8th one is your currency. Click on it. So any currency you want it to appear, I'm in Nigeria, I want to appear in Naira too, as well as Yuan, so that if you set this setting, you can as well make payment with your ATM card. Yes, you can make payment with your ATM card. So go ahead and do the settings. So this is exactly what I just want to show you. All right, so if you have any comments, any question, just quickly drop on the comment section. All right, once you do that, boom, everything will be in English like this. And and one beautiful thing about this one being English, it will also let you know the store. Now you can see here it's showing us 5-star. It's showing us, see that red horse. Oh, this is beautiful. Saying that this is a satisfied merchant, and it's going to be showing you how many pieces sold, be showing you how many stars. You don't need to start looking for a translator. Oh, it makes sourcing sweet. It makes buying interesting. You see that this one 15k plus sold out, this one 202k plus sold out, 1k plus sold out. So it even help you to navigate and know the good store to buy from. All right, this one now is telling us that this factory is a super factory. You see, so it's super amazing. Now this one is even telling us that this one is a manufacturer. Are you seeing it? So if your own is not in English language, go ahead and change. Now I said at the end of the video I will let you know, in case your own is in Chinese and you have tried and tried and tried, let me tell you the only thing that will cause it. Number one, if your own is still in Chinese and you're trying to change it, make sure you update the app. All right, update the app. Then if you're trying to update the app and it's saying that that is the limit that's not updated, that means you should know that that app is the old type of 1688 app that is not allocated to this. So that means you need to delete it and go and install 1688 app. Go and install new 1688 app that has all these new features. All right, once you go to your settings and this is telling you that you don't need to, that you are already, maybe you cannot update again, that is the latest version, you should know it's an old 1688 app that don't have this feature. So you should just delete it and go and download a new version of this 1688 app, because it's the new version now that has these new features. So all you just need to do is download it, then you connect it to your Alipay, or you connect it, you put in your login details, and boom, you are good to go. So it's super interesting. If you have any question, do well to drop on the comment section. And here, this is where you can do your overseas ship. All right, once you want to buy, you can send to your own doorstep. And this is beautiful. I so much love it. This is beautiful, it's showing us everything you need to know, even when it's okay. Jesus, this is beautiful. It will translate everything, the product attributes, everything, so you know what exactly you are buying. Even when you want to chat with the supplier, it will still drop the message very well to translate it. So this is amazing to translate. When they drop in Chinese, it will translate it to you. When they drop in their country, it will translate. So it's super. I don't want it to be too long. See you in my next video. Yeah, okay, see, I just dropped a message and this is telling me, it said it's good morning. You see, so this is so amazing, super amazing. All right, see you in my next video. But you see, that's translated hello. I just have hello to just let you know that even your chats will be translated, which makes it very easy to buy and source. You see, it's not telling us that the third party is typing. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you in my next video. Bye. Look at this thing that my customer wants. I've seen it, so let me look for it.